improve communication, reduce errors, and increase product quality. Hey everyone, this is Paul with GoEngineer. These are just some of the benefits that we will cover in this deep dive look of SOLIDWORKS CAM 2020. For SOLIDWORKS users who are not familiar with the term or capabilities of SOLIDWORKS CAM, it is the acronym for Computer-Aided Manufacturing. Fully integrated inside the SOLIDWORKS environment, SOLIDWORKS CAM leverages your CAD design to generate 3D dynamic milling and lathe toolpath. And CNC code output is easily managed by SOLIDWORKS CAM's built-in NC editor so that you can machine your part. This proven feature-based technology is from CAMWorks, which has been a SOLIDWORKS Gold partner since 1997. CAM Standard is included to all users of SOLIDWORKS who take advantage of active subscription service. This includes both 2.5-axis and basic 3-axis programming of parts, as well as tolerance-based machining. CAM Professional opens the door to assembly programming, 3+2, and tombstone machining, configurations, 2.5-axis volume mill, high-speed machining, and turning for CNC lathe applications. Next up, let's go right into tab cutting. Custom machine components such as this enclosure panel require special attention to manufacture. Typically, cutting parts such as this utilize plasma, water jet, or laser machines to expedite the manufacturing process. The 3 large access ports need to be attached using tabs or microjoints to prevent the inside core material from tipping or falling and damaging the cutting tool, the machining center, or even the part itself. What if we did not have access to a plasma, water jet, or laser machines? Or maybe these access ports are modifications required for specific field applications. Rather than spending time chasing clamps with multiple setups, using expensive vacuum fixtures, or manually creating excessive void area sketches in SOLIDWORKS, SOLIDWORKS CAM 2020 tab cutting bypasses all of this with several mouse clicks. I've already established the machining environment for this part and created the appropriate machining strategies for the 3 circular features. And over on the Operations tab, my existing fan vent holes operations highlights the traditional lead-in, out contour milling of the inside diameter of each circular feature. To modify, left mouse click to access the Operation Parameters page. In the lower right section, activate the checkbox Tab Cutting, then Settings. In the Tab Settings dialog, I have the flexibility of controlling multiple features. In this instance, we will focus changes on Circular Pocket Group 6. Critical toolpath details are easily adjusted by updating the overall length of the tab and controlling the thickness of the tab when depth of cut is important. This allows you to set the rigidity of the core material to which it is attached to the main plate. The number of tabs is specified by a numeric value, or having the option distance between tabs gives you additional control as well. And by selecting individual tabs in the tabs checkboxes allows you to specify center-to-center offset. Additional options such as Operation Lead In, Lead Out, Feed Over, and Retract to Clearance Plane allows further toolpath refinement based upon the type of cutting tool used, material type, and rigidity of the setup. To prevent any witness marks caused by the cutting tool plunging directly into the material and next to the final profile, the multiple lead-in point options will give me additional real estate for each tab location. With default settings applied, you're going to notice that each lead-in, lead-out location is at a 45-degree angle. To easily change and update this, access the main lead-in tab of the Operation Parameters page and adjust the arc angle to 90 degrees. With operations now updated, Generating your toolpath and validating toolpath movement can now be simulated, giving us complete confidence in your manufacturing setup. Tab cutting for SOLIDWORKS CAM 2020 allows you to save time and reduce costly mistakes by simplifying core material removal during the machining process. GoEngineer has decades of experience helping companies succeed using cutting-edge, industry-leading manufacturing tools. We are the experts with this technology and are passionate to help you leverage the power of SOLIDWORKS CAM for your machine shop or prototyping lab. If you would like to learn more about how SOLIDWORKS CAM can improve your manufacturing process, please contact us here at GoEngineer. And if you like this video, feel free to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and click on the subscribe button below. This is Paul with GoEngineer. Thanks for watching.